Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have this massive advent calendar to unbox, and this was the only advent calendar that I got because I think it will be very useful for both me and my fiance. But yeah, before we get into the video, if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram. But without further ado, let's start unboxing. Okay, so this is a very big advent calendar, and we got this at the local supermarket, and this was, I don't remember the exact price, but it was between 22 and 23 euros. So this one has 24 days, which means it's less than €1 per item. And this comes wrapped in plastic, so I'm just going to take this off. Okay, once you remove the plastic, then you also have a sleeve, and on the back you just have all the products. And I guess some of the things I've heard them kind of slip over, so let's see if we have to butcher this in the end. But yeah, let's start opening this. And door number one is in here, and we have a lip balm, and this one is an original one. This one doesn't have much of a smell, but especially now in the winter, this will be very helpful. Door number two in here. And in day number two, we got kind of a lotion. This is a 50 milliliter bottle, so it's kind of a big one. It's got that typical NIVEA smell, so this is a very nice one. And on day number three, it's this round one here on the bottom, and we have something stuck. Okay, so this one was a little bit glued up, and we have a blue felt Christmas decoration. For me personally, I'm not a very big fan of blue Christmas decorations, but it looks kind of cute. And then day number four is this one. So this one is a refreshing hydrating mask for normal skin, and these come with two uses. It looks like this, and I think I will really like to try this one because I've tried one from NIVEA and it was very good, so I'm very curious to try this one. Now, day number five is up here. Now I get it, what everyone talks about unboxing advent calendars. It's really hard. So in here you get a really small tin with NIVEA cream. This one has a very cute packaging, and I think this will be very nice to travel. It's come all sealed. So these NIVEA creams are usually very good. And day number six is here on the bottom. And in here we got a deodorant. Oh, this one has a very decent size. This is a 25 milliliter one. And this is the Protect and Care 48-hour deodorant. Let's give this a smell. I really like NIVEA deodorants. It smells very good. It's kind of a more men smell, so I think my fiance will like this one very much. And I guess, well, the pricing is less than €1 or almost €1. I guess I wouldn't pay that for this, but for now, at least these two are worth probably a lot more than €1. Okay, and day number 7 is up here. So we get a double sponge triangle thing. It's very soft, but I don't remember there being makeup on this calendar, so I don't know. Okay, so let's move on to day number 8, and it's here in the corner. It's another big one. Ooh, it's a big one. Wow, okay. So
don't just okay.
So in here we have a 75 milliliter hand cream. So it's a repairing hand cream. Now again, just like the lip balm, this is very good for the winter time, because at least my hands get very dry. It doesn't have much of a smell, but yeah, it's a very nice size. And one thing I'm noticing, because I bought this in Portugal, we are getting a lot of Portugal named products, and I think the actual products inside of this are just a tiny little different from other NIVEA advent calendars I've seen. Okay, so we were on day number 8, now 9 is another small one. So this might be another lip balm. Yeah, oh, got something poking, don't. And this one is also from Labello or Labello, I don't know how to pronounce this, but this one is the Strawberry Shine. So it's a red lip balm. Oh, it smells so good. It really smells like strawberries, so this one will probably go for me. And then day number 10 is up here. It's another round one. And it's missing. Okay, so it's probably here. Yeah, so this one fell over, even though it was taped. It should have been taped up top. This one is what's supposed to be on day number 10, kind of fits there. And is another one of those felt Christmas decorations. This one is gray, and I think, again, just like the other one, I wouldn't exactly pay for this, but I kind of like this one a little bit more. Day number 11 is another round one, and in here we get a NIVEA Man cream. This has a very nice size compared to the other one. So it looks like this. It's kind of an all-over cream. It's also sealed, so my fiance will be having this. And then this was day number 11, day number 12 is here. And we got another one of those masks. And this is a Q10 Plus Anti-Wrinkle Smoothing Mask. It looks like this, and again, it's got 2 uses. Day number 13 is in here, and we have nothing. Oh, it fell off. So on day number 13 we get a nail file. So this has 2 sides, kind of a simple one and one in the kind of same colors as NIVEA. It looks like this, very pretty, and it's got kind of a nice size to take in your bag. Okay, day number 14 is in here. Something just fell off. And in here we get another one of those really small creams. and this one has a different design, so this is the one that I just unboxed. It's kind of a different item, and I've seen some advent calendars on the UK. They have this kind of thing, but as a lip balm, I think. So yeah, this is still pretty useful. And day number 15 is this really big one. Okay, so in here we get some makeup wipes, and these are for normal skin. So you get 7 makeup wipes. This is still a very nice item for traveling. This is very, very good most of the times when I travel, like for the weekend or something like that. I really don't want to take a big makeup wipe pack, so this one is very good. And this has vitamin E. And then day number 16 is a round one. Ooh. Okay, so this is another cream, but this one is the NIVEA Soft, and this one has 25 milliliters, and I really like this cream. This one is kind of the same thing as these little tins, but this one is actually more easy to absorb onto your skin. Now day number 17 is here on the bottom, and we have something else fallen off. Let's just put that aside. Okay, so on day number 17 we get another NIVEA Men product. This is another one of those 50 milliliter bottles, and I think I said this one was a cream, but I think this is a shower gel now that I think about it, because this one says Protect and Care Douche Soin. So this one has kind of a French text, and if I can pronounce it, Corps, Visage and Cheveux. So if my lessons were any good, this is for body, face and hair, I think. So it's probably a body wash. Ooh, and these NIVEA Men products smell so good. Okay, moving on to day number 18 is this round big one, or big round one. So this is a shower lily. So it looks like this is white with a blue ribbon, just like in the NIVEA colors. And this is small, so again, another travel friendly item. I really like to take these when I travel. Day number 19 is just by the side of it. It's another big one. This is a body milk. It looks like this, and this is the 48-hour intensive hydration, and this is for very dry skin. It smells very good. And it's another one of those 75 milliliter bottles, so very good. And then day number 20, I think it's that item that fell off. Yeah, there's nothing in here, so it must be this one. It's a mirror. So yeah, it's a very simple mirror with blue on the back. I just wished it had NIVEA printed on it, but if you don't like to carry branded stuff, then I think it's more discreet like this. So yeah, it's kind of a decent size to carry on your purse. Day number 21 is here, and we got another big bottle. It's another hand cream. This is a little smaller one, but it's still kind of a very decent size. Again, it's kind of that typical NIVEA smell. So yeah, a very useful item. And day number 22, we're almost over. is this round one. Okay, so in here we have another one of those little NIVEA creams with a different design. It's a very nice item. I just thought probably 2 of these would be enough. And then day number 23 is here on top, so it's probably this one that fell off. Yeah, so there's nothing in here, so is this one. Ooh. And these are the ones that I've tried and really loved. So this is the purifying peel-off mask. This one is for combination skin. So we have another 2-use masks, and again this is the one I've tried and I really like this. Yeah, this is peel off and these other 2 are wash off. And finally for day number 24 is here in the center. Ooh, I'm very excited for this one. This is a micellar water, and I think this product is relatively new to NIVEA, so I'm very excited to try this one. So this is new travel size 100 milliliter for sensitive skin, so very excited to try this. And yeah, that is all the calendar unboxed. I think packaging wise this is very pretty and it was kind of fun to unbox. Okay, so overall thoughts: if you live in different countries you might get slightly different things but very similar in value. And yeah, I think this was a very good advent calendar. I mean, micellar water, 3 double masks, 2 shower gels, these very big creams, a deodorant, 2 lip balms, lots of cream stuff. So yeah, this is definitely worth the price, and these are all very good products and very useful. So if you liked this video, then give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you like NIVEA, and yeah, that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!